morning, everyone. Today we're sitting inside a 2020 Acura MDX. This car comes with our beautiful and one of our safety features, which is the voice command. This car, every Acura comes with two voice commands. One that is built in the car, and the other one is used through your iPhone. What I mean by that is if you press and hold, that should activate your Siri, and if you press and release right away,
the voice prompt can be
that should activate the voice command in our car. So let me show you how to use the one that is built in a car. So it's going to ask you a couple questions.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time
you're
by
going to see
pressing
they're
the
going to
talk
give you
button
three
again.
options: navigation, audio, and phone. So we want to say navigation.
Pardon?
Navigation. So after that, it's going to keep
say
you
a command.
address, place name, find nearest, go home,
Pardon?
and previous destination. I want to say address.
Pardon?
Address.
After the beep, say a command.
62 Cortland-Nosa, Green Bay, California.
California. Green Bay.
And as you guys can tell, it's working pretty well. And
after the beep, say a command.
2.
62.
There you go. So now it's going to give you directions to where you want to go.
Say a command.
1.
Pardon?
1. There you go. Now it's calculating the route, and it should give you directions right away.
Proceed to the highlighted route. Then the route guidance will start.
As you guys can tell, it's pretty easy to use and very useful. So you don't have to use any of these dials. You don't have to, get distracted by the touch screen when you're trying to go somewhere. It's pretty easy to use voice command, and it's very useful. So if you guys have any questions about this feature or other features, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website. Thank you so much.